Hello traders, welcome to FVG Trading. See, I take here multiple trades. Why I take a multiple trades? Okay, so just directly I will explain this trade. After this explaining the trade, I will explain the strategy also. Watch the video till the end. You are going to be learn lot of things. Okay, so here is see what will happening. Okay, 1 second. So if it is zoom out here, market already sweep this swing low. This swing low was sweep. So market want to move upside. So if it is want to move upside, it will give some confirmation. What is the confirmation? I will tell you. Okay, so first point, market want to move upside. Market wants to move upside. What it do? So it has to be breakout right side gaps. If it is this gap will hold, market want to try to move downside. If it is break, that means the mean it will move upside. So what is the indication? We have a confirmation gap, and so between the swing high, between the swing low, always we have a one more point. That is always we have a extreme fair value gap. That is one more resistance. If market want to move downside, it has to be hold, then it will fall down. If it is breakout, that is the meaning of market will move upside. Okay, so this is the way I take the trade here. See, simple logic is from the resistance levels the sellers will try to move downside, but there is a no gap creation. That is the mean, there is a no gap means what? Sellers are weak. So I have a multiple confirmation. I have a either gap is here, it was reacted. So I take a multiple trades, it was simply win. Okay, so now I don't have any opportunity to take the trade. I need to wait for it, then I will take the trade. Okay, so I will explain again the same thing. Okay, first point not here. So I always try to do market do only two things, either sweep the liquidity or offer the liquidity. If market wants to move upside, what will happen? This is the liquidity. For suppose this is the liquidity level. Okay, market want to move upside. What is the process of market moving upside? What is the confirmation? So if market wants to move downside first, here is a gap. Okay, if we have a gap anything, it has to be respect and create a new gap downside. So if it is create a new gap, that is the indication market will move downside. So it not happen. For suppose it not happen, it give a small reaction, then it was breakout. Breakout means what? Breakout with what? Breakout with new gap. Okay, 1 second. Okay, breakout with a new gap upside. So that means it is confirmation market will taking a U-turn up to this swing high. Okay, this will be your manipulation gap, this will be your confirmation gap. Between this swing high, this swing low, there is a one more resistance level, not like this resistance, this support level. There is an extreme gap. So if it is hold this gap, there are chances to market will fall down. This gap will not hold. If it is breakout, so 110% market will reach to the swing high and sweep. Then the same process will happen to the downside also. If it is move upside, downside, the same process will happen. If you understand this, you can read the market in very easy. Reading the market is very easy. Okay, if suppose if it is, for suppose if it is close at the green candle, definitely I will take a one more buy option. See what I say, here is the swing high. This extreme fair value gap was golden breakout. This gap was holding the trades. That means it will move up to this level. But I need some space to create another between this level and this candle. We need some space to create another candle. So if it otherwise, I will take better entry point. I will check any better entry points. Wait, definitely I will take the trade. Okay, I take the trade. It's a good entry point. Definitely it will close as the above the my entry. Even it is a red candle, no problem. Definitely I am going to be win. Simple logic. Okay, what is the logic? What is the logic? Simple logic is it has to be sweep this high, but the minor point is here it was sweep this minus swing highs. That is make it doesn't matter. It will close as a definitely green candle, because it was exactly from the resistance level close. So market wants to move upside because this gap was hold. Okay, no problem. Even it is loss, no problem, because if you understand the market, we are not going, I am not going to be panic the losses. It's a common, very losses is very common. We need to accept it, otherwise we never will be a trader. See, simple, even it is a red candle, because of my entry point, simple it was win. Simple logic. Alright, okay, now I will take two trades. 110% it will be move upside. Okay, because already I told that market has to be sweep this swing high, otherwise not move downside, because sellers already tried, there is a no gap, sellers already tried, there is a no gap, this candle also tried, but there is an unable to create a gap. That means what, it has, if market wants to create the gap, at least this candle will close below the green candle, then only there is a chances to market will create the gap. So now there is a no chance to create any fair value gap. So simply what I am seeing, where is the liquidity level and what gaps are telling me. So just I am following that. If within the range, I take a, how many trades I take here? I take a one trade, I take a two trades, I take a three trades. Simple. This also win now. So I think, I hope you like this content. Thanks for watching. If you are having any doubt, comment below the video. If do you want join my course and you want to read the market like me in easy way, contact me in the Telegram. I will explain everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, traders.